What's up everyone, 3D Print 747 here, back again with another video. So I was printing a multicolor model with my AMS, and all of a sudden I got an error when it switched colors, and I went over to the AMS, and the color that it was switching to was unspooled all out top, or all out back of the AMS. It was a nightmare. Luckily, I caught it before the whole spool ran back. But what I found is a worn out Bowden tube, or PTFE tube, whatever you want to call it. I'm like old school from Ender days, so I call it a Bowden tube. But see that? I didn't think they would wear out like that. But, I mean, it makes sense. So where is the rest of that PTFE going? Is it going through the tube and clogging it eventually? Don't know. But, yeah, the filament came out through there and just started shooting out of the back of the AMS. And I'm like, what the heck is going on? I got filament in there, but it's giving me an error. And that's what I found. So I shortened the PTFE tube and cut it, ripped out the bad piece, and it's printing fine now. But just something to keep in mind. Keep an eye on these to make sure that this doesn't happen to you, so that in the middle of the night when it's changing color, you come back and the entire spool is on the back of your AMS. I can't remember if it threw an error or not. I think it did, but a lot of filament still went out the back, if I recall. Like it was trying to figure out what was going on and trying to figure out if there was actually filament in there or why it wasn't receiving it. But yeah, just keep that in mind. Check your tubes. And thanks for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe button. But ran into this and wanted to let y'all see what happened. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.